Hey everyone, Stephanie here. So, this is going to be an unboxing. Your creative studio reached out to me and asked me if they could send me one of their beautiful boxes. And of course, I said yes, right? Because I see them, around and they have really cute things. I said, oh, definitely send me one, right? So, they sent me this box. Apparently, this is the June box. All right. But we're going to open it up and I will show you everything in it. And I will also put their link down in the description so you can go to the website and shop all of their really nice items. Okay, they got really cute goodies. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into this box. um they told me ahead of time what it was. It was the hydrangea. Yeah, hydrangea box. Really cute. That's so cute. I love that. I love the hydrangeas. It's so pretty, right? So pretty. So it comes like this. All right, and it's a subscription box, so you can pay for the subscription. All right, and they have different ones every month, I believe. All right, so let's go ahead and tear that off. I'm gonna take some of the stuff out of here. See, Your Creative Studio. All right, so you can definitely go to the website and take a look at all of their stuff. Okay, look at that. Oh, so cute, so pretty. I love all of the stuff. Okay, so we'll put the box aside here. And that way we can look at everything. Oh wow, so pretty. I love all of the stuff. Your Creative Studio. We'll figure out what that is. Okay. Look at the papers. Well, no, this is stickers. I think these are stickers. Yes, I believe these. Yes, they're stickers. Oh, how cute. You know what, y'all? This would be so pretty in a shabby chic journal. Gorgeous. This is the June box, and it's still available on the website. So definitely go to the website, which I'm going to put in the description, and you can order this as well. You can order, whatever else they have on there if you see something you really love, because they have really nice things. Okay. This is cute. So you can peel it off in pieces. Oh, I like that. Okay. This is paper. So we'll take a look at that. All right. Gosh, so many things. So many cute things. Little stamps. Okay. Really nice. This paper is gorgeous. Oh, I can't wait to open that. What else is this? Let me see. Washi. Probably washi. This is washi tape. This is really cute. It's like little cards, little like ephemera cards. Oh, I love that. That's so pretty. And then looks like you can use this also in your makes as well. The packaging is always nice. Okay. That's nice. Huh. Oh. Okay. So wow, so many things to look at. Let's see. That's a stamp, it looks like, and this is a stamp. So you get a couple of stamps in there, which is fun. And looks like some little other little pieces there. So you get quite a bit of things. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 pieces in a kit. That's great, right? That's really nice. Okay, so I don't even know what to open first. Well, you know what? Let's check the paper out first. We saw this sticker. This is a peel. That's a peel sticker. You can peel it from different places here and put it in your project. So let's take a look at the paper. Love the paper. And this is what you get. It's what tells you on the back there. Really pretty. It says, right here, it says 24 sheets, 6 sticker paper, vellum, art paper, and pattern paper. Oh, I like that. This is nice too because I could use this in an art journal. So I like that. I like having different types of paper I can use for layering. Right. Oh, this is a piece of the vellum. Okay, let me see. I think. Well, let me look. Yeah, it is. Oh yeah, look at that. So pretty. Oh, look, you can definitely use this as well. Definitely use that too. Right. So let's take a look. Well, here, let's put it with this. All right. So let's go through it. This is a paper. Okay. Let's see. Oh, wait. I wonder is this this is like a sticker paper too. Oh, that's so pretty. That's the sticker sheet. Oh yeah, this is sticker sheet. Beautiful. Look at that. Just gorgeous. Wow. My color scheme too. The pink and all of that with the vintage. Oh, I love that. That's also a sticker sheet. Look at how pretty. Oh yeah. This is going to be great. And this is another sticker sheet. I guess you get 6, right? Really pretty. Looks like wallpaper. That's another one. Okay. Then you just get, I believe this is another one too. So then you just get regular sheets. Oh, these are so pretty. Regular sheets of paper. These would be great for collage, right? Collage in a background. Oh my gosh, so pretty. That's what I'm thinking in my mind. And then you get, I guess you get all of the same, just different types of paper. You get the stickers, the regular sheets, and then the vellum, I believe. I believe that's how they're doing it. Let me see. Oh yeah, that's nice too. And I like that it's a nice thickness to the paper, because if I did want a collage, I think it will be great for that. Oh yeah, really, really nice. Okay. This is pretty. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous. That's regular paper. Well, this feels a little thicker, right? This sheet feels a little bit thicker than this. It's a little bit thinner. Okay, I love that. Okay, love. And then you get the vellum in the back. Oh, I love that. So yeah, they're all kind of the same, just different types of paper. Okay. Oh, look at this vellum. Will you look at that? Oh, here, let's put this behind it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look how gorgeous. What? That is gorgeous. Wow. Wow. So pretty. Wow. Really beautiful. Look at this one. Look at that. How gorgeous. Right? Isn't that gorgeous? That's the vellum. So beautiful. Again, this one is available on the website, so go ahead and order it if you love it. Right? It's really beautiful, and they have other beautiful kits. Lots of stuff comes in the kits. You can use it on all kinds of projects, right? Oh my goodness. So pretty. Look at this one. This is gorgeous too. Look at that. So nice. Oh, I love it. Oh, wow. I don't know. I might have to put those at the top so I can see them and I can use them. And then you get these two as well for the vellum. Okay. So that's the paper. Okay. So let's open the washi tape. That is so pretty. Really cute. Beautiful. Just beautiful. I love it. Okay. So that's the washi tape. We saw the stickers. Okay. And we saw the stamps. These kind of stamps, you can just peel them off and put them on your project. Really cute. All right. Love those. Let's see what this is. Okay. It's like a little oh yeah, like a little book of pages. You can pull these out and put them on your project. That's really cute. Model pages. Oh yeah, you can just pull them out and just attach them to your page or whatever. Really nice. Oh, look at that. So pretty. Look at that. Oh, I love the butterfly. Y'all know I love a butterfly. I put a butterfly on pretty much everything. So cute. Oh, look at that. Really nice. Really, really nice. It looks like you get two of each in here. Two of each, maybe? Yeah, two. Yep, two of each. Oh, look at that one. That's kind of cool. Oh, I love this. I like all of these. I really do. Because this is kind of the type of stuff when I do my vintage things. This is the kind of things that I really like using. The style, along with, I mix it with my mixed media. So it's really gorgeous. It's right up my alley. Oh, look at that. Okay, so that comes in there. All right, we'll put that away later. Okay, let's see. Let's open these and see what you get. Okay. Oh, okay, let's see. What is this? These are like little they look like little stickers, right? Yeah, because I believe you can peel the back off. Can you peel the back off? Let me see. Oh no, maybe not. Okay. Well, they're just like little sheets that you can put on your project. Oh, they're so cute. They almost feel like little wallpapers, almost, like just little sheets you can put in your journals and stuff. Really cute. And they have little vellum. I think there's a vellum late before I get excited and say something wrong here. No, it's not vellum. Well, it feels like it. Wait, no. Is it? Oh, yes, it is vellum. Ha! I was right. Look at that. So cute. So you get one regular sheet and then a sheet of vellum. Cute. Oh, I love. And you get the sheet of vellum there. Oh, and here as well, I believe. Yep. So you get a little vellum sheet and then a regular sheet. That's nice. That's really nice. Oh yeah, one of each. Great. That's cute. Super cute. We love that. Oh, this is gonna all go in my little ephemera box. Well, I love to keep my ephemera stuff at. Okay, so look at the card. Oh, I love a card. These make really nice little journaling cards. Right? Looks like you get two of each. So pretty. Gorgeous. This is the June box, like I mentioned. So beautiful. Isn't that pretty? Oh my God, so pretty. Like one of these would look great in here. Like this, see? or just, whatever you want to do. Either or, right? Put a bigger one on here. Really cute. Oh, I have all kinds of ideas. Let me see. Yeah, these are just cards. Really nice. Here, let's see. They're kind of stuck together here. Pretty. Look at that. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Really pretty. So yeah, I get 2 of those. All right, you get 2 of these in there. Nice. Let's see, 2 of these. Okay. These are nice too. Okay, very pretty. Oh wow, so cute. And look at these. Yeah. So that's a nice little assortment of cards. Make for all kinds of pockets and tucks and flips and all kinds of stuff in the journal. That's beautiful. That's really beautiful. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Okay. Love it, love it, love it. So let's take a look at the little one here. I believe this is just like a little like little pages, I believe. It could be stickers. I don't know. Let's check it out and see. Okay. Oh, library series, retro library series. Oh yeah, like little pages that you can pull out and put them in your journals. Oh, so cute. Is it stickers? Let's see. I don't know. They might be stickers, y'all. If that's stickers, that's great. I think they are stickers. So cute. Oh, look at that. Oh, nice. Oh, looks like they're all kind of different too, right? Really nice. Oh, a whole little book. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I love that. That would be so cute. Again, that'll be cute on one of these. Put like one of these in there and put it in your journal. Really cute, right? Oh, look at that one. I like anything with writing on it. The vintage writing. I love that. I love that. Look, a little stamp, little postcard there. Oh, I love the writing. So cute. So yeah, and then you got a couple like little music sheets and like a little library. I mean a dictionary thing. Oh yeah, so cute. So you get a lot in here, right? You see how many you get, right? So cute. I love that. So those are stickers. So that's great. So you have a lot of stuff here to use. Wow, that's a lot. By the time you use all this, you can really fill a journal with this kind of stuff. So that's nice. So let's go ahead and open this one. Let's see, what is this? Matchbox material paper. Oh, like little they're almost like little labels, kind of. Oh yeah, really cute paper and oh look at that, so pretty. Hold on, let's take it out. Like really pretty. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, and it's embossed. Oh, I love that. Really nice. Okay. Nice little thickness to this paper too. I love that. Oh, and all of these are embossed. Oh, I love that. Very unique. So pretty. Let me see what this one says. The flowers bloom and fall. Pretty. So pretty. Okay, so yeah, you get a little box of those. Really nice. And all a little assortment of those. And we got a few tags in here as well. So you get a few tags. Okay, very, very cute. Very cute. All right, so let's put that back in there. You really could fill a journal with this just one kit with all the stuff you got. And you probably have things left over too. So let's open this little one here. Okay, let's see what it is. I'm excited. Okay, let me see. Oh, like little strips. Oh, yeah. And these are stickers as well. I love that. Look at that. That's so pretty. Like little, yeah, little strips. That's pretty too. Wow. Okay, very, very pretty. Oh, with the flowers and stuff on it. Just beautiful. Really beautiful. Oh, look at that. Gorgeous. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. I love. Oh, look at that. Super cute. All right. So that's like a little book of almost like washi stickers, I guess, but just stickers. You could just use them for that. Okay. So let's line up our pieces here. Made a mess. Okay, so let's go ahead and open these. I believe these are like little I'm gonna guess and say they're like little vellum stickers, but I could be wrong. Oh, let's see. Oh, like little acetate pieces. Oh wow, these are gorgeous. Oh, they're falling. They're falling. Let me see. Oh, so pretty. Wait, let me see. There's a lot of them in here. Are there different ones? Yeah. Oh, look at that. So pretty. I don't have anything like this. I can't even hold them. They're so pretty. Look at that. Wow. So beautiful. Like, look. Gorgeous. Oh, wow. These are so pretty. I don't have anything like that. Right? Just so pretty. Wow. Beautiful. Okay. So, yeah. All right. So, those are what the little acetate stickers or acetate pieces. All right. So, we have that. I'll put those back in them when I'm done. And then this is a stamp. Let's check out the stamp. Okay, here's a stamp. Oh, wow. That's a hydrangea stamp. I don't have anything like that either. The stamps alone are expensive by themselves, but you get the whole kit. That's great. Wow. That's so great. And look at that's the back part of it. Sorry, it's red on the back. I love that. Okay. I love. All right, so let's open this. Okay. Let's see. What's this? Oh, need a few different ones. Oh, look at that. How cute. Oh, wow. That's perfect. That's like a perfect size for a little stamp for a journal. I think that's so cute. I don't have anything like that. And then you get two little pieces, right? Just so cute. I love that. Oh, wow. So you get four little stamps in there. That's adorable. That's really nice. All right. So that is the June box from your creative studio. I thank them for sending me this beautiful box. It's so cute. I will probably use everything in this box because it's my color scheme. I love the colors and everything. It for me it gives like a shabby chic vibe. I can use them in my junk journals and my art junk journals. So that works perfect for me, right? So if you are and you can probably even make cards with some of this stuff too, y'all. If you're a card maker, really, really cute stuff, right? Really pretty nice cards too. So you can make a number of things with this kit. All right. So again, I'm going to put the link for their shop in the description. And I thank them for sending me this really beautiful kit. And if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave it below and I'll answer, get back to you. And my links are all listed down in the description. All right. All right. Thanks for watching. And I will catch you in the next one. Ciao.